Hi friends, in our channel A to Z for Kids Zone, we provide many useful informative videos. We have explained mathematical concepts. We are telling moral stories for kids in Tamil on weekly basis. We are posting videos science with experiment wherein we explain science concept more understandable. Hope you would like all our videos so hit on thumbs up. If you are a parent or teacher watching this video, yes, this channel is completely for your kids, aimed at age 3 to 14 years age. You can undoubtedly play all our videos. We don't have harsh contents or videos that impact kids. Please subscribe our channel and get notification so that you can get notification and click on bell button. Share these videos with your all your social platform to help us spread this video. We also request we also respect your valuable feedbacks. Please comment us and let us know. Thank you.
Scientific and geographical phenomena. Question and answers. Why do we hear the sound of thunder later than we see the flash lighting? Answer. Flash of lighting is seen early than the sound of thunder is heard because light travels much faster than sound. Why does seawater boils at temperature more than 100 degrees Celsius centigrade? The boiling point of water. What is the boiling point of water? Answer. Because pressure at sea level is greater than normal. Hence, seawater boils at temperature higher than 100 degrees Celsius. A burning candle gets extinguished when it is covered by tumbler. Answer. A burning candle gets extinguished when covered with tumbler because the supply of oxygen is cut off and flame goes off. How do bats fly in dark? Answer. With help of ultrasonic waves which are reflected back from the obstacle but itself produces these waves which helps it in finding its way. It is dangerous to touch a live electric wire with bare feet and hand. Answer. Electric current can pass through the body. If we touch it with bare feet and hand, then we will get a shock. Question. Places near the sea are cooler in summer and warmer in winter than places farther inland. Due to its high specific heat, water is not easily heated or cooled. So, the sea water remains cool in summer and a cool breeze prevails in the nearly place. Question. The weight of a man at the surface of the moon will be only about one sixth of his weight on the earth. Answer. Moon's gravity is 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Due to weight of everything on moon will have 1/6 of his weight on earth. Due to weight of everything on moon will be 1/6 of its weight on earth. Question. If a highly corked glass bottle full of water is left outdoors on a frozen night, it will burst. Answer. Water inside the bottle will freeze and become ice. We know that water increases its volume on freezing, but the bottle is corked. Therefore, it will lead to burst of the bottle in a frosty night. Question. Why a cyclist has to apply a greatest force at start than when the cycle is in motion. Momentum is very necessary and it requires a greatest force in the start. Later on, when this is achieved, it requires a small force. Question: Ice packing in sawdust does not melt quickly. Ice packing in sawdust does not melt quickly because sawdust being bad conductor of heat rays. Question: Why does blotting paper absorb ink? Blotting paper has got innumerable capillaries. These capillaries suck the ink due to the surface tension and the ink is absorbed. Water boils at lower temperature on hills than on plains. Why? As we know that higher the pressure, the highest is boiling point. Boiling point of water is fully dependent upon atmospheric pressure. Hills have got low atmospheric pressure than plains. Due to this, boiling point is lower. Why is it more difficult to breathe on mountains than on plains? Answer: a fixed supply of oxygen is necessary for per breath, but the density of air is much less on mountains than on plains, and oxygen content of volume is reduced. Due to this, difficulty rises in breathing. Why does a needle sink in sea whereas an iron ship floats on it? Answer: specific gravity of needle is greater than water which it replaces. Therefore it sinks. Specific gravity of needle is greater than the water which it replaces, therefore it sinks. But the weight of the water displaced by ship is greater than the weight of the ship. Therefore, the ship floats due to upward thrust of water. Thus, the ship floats due to upward thrust of water. Why is phosphorus kept in water? Because ignition temperature of phosphorus is very low. Why does ice float on water? Weight of water displayed by ice is greater than weight of ice. Weight of water displaced by ice is greater than the weight of ice. Describe the color of pure diamond. Answer: it is colorless. Question: why does an iron gain weight on rusting? Iron absorbs oxygen from the moisture. This leads to the formation of iron oxide. The weight of the iron is increased and this is equal to the amount of oxygen absorbed on rusting. Iron absorbs oxygen from the moisture. This leads to formations of iron oxide. The weight of iron is increased and this is equal to the amount of oxygen absorbed on rusting. Question: heavy stone can be lifted easily under water than in air. Why? Because stone loses weight equal to the weight of liquid displaced when immersed into water. Archimedes principle. Because stone loses weight equal to the weight of liquid displayed when immersed into water. Archimedes principle. Question: a solar eclipse can occur only a new moon day. Why? When the full moon comes between the sun and earth, solar eclipse occurs. Question: a flash of lightning is seen before the sound of thunder is heard because the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. That's why we see flash before the sound. The flash of light is seen before the sound of thunder is heard. Why? This is because the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. That's why we see flash before the sound. Question: why small space is left at the joint between the two rails? As we know, the iron is expanding on heat. That's why a small space is left between the rail lines for the expansion in summer due to heat. Why a small space is left at the joints between two rails? As we know, the iron is expanding on heat. That's why a small space is left between the rail lines for the expansion in summer due to heat.